Hi guys, I'm Morella and welcome back to the channel. And this week I'm launching a new series called What's in Your Lunchbox. And the reason behind it, it's because I'm going to start to do some work for a new client, and that means that I'm going to be away from home during the week. So I really wanted to take my lunch with them. I thought it was a good idea to share with you guys some simple ideas for lunchbox that are vibrant, are healthy, are nutritious. I'm going to combine it with my normal video recipes. So one week I'm going to do what's in a lunchbox video, and then another week I'm going to do my everyday or every week video recipes, just to combine it a little bit. But I'm going to post some the pictures of my lunches or my work lunches on Instagram as well, because I wanted to share with you guys. So I hope you enjoy this quinoa and rice veggie salad. It's vibrant, it's fresh, it's really spring-like. So I really hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you next time with another video. Bye.